Hey, this is Kim Evans, and thank you so much for watching my IG channel. So before I get into what I'm going to talk about, let me introduce myself. I am Kim Evans. I am the proud owner of Integrated Health and Wellness of 24 years, and I'm a business and a holistic wellness coach. So welcome to my IG channel, Radiant Health and Radiant Beauty, where I bring you global tips on beauty, health, and wellness and business marketing. So today I'm going to do a product reveal on a product that I got from Amazon. And thank you so much for watching and reading my post on Instagram and also on Facebook. I always recommend, if you're going to be cooking, you got to make it fun. You put on some music and get your groove on. Oh, yes. So anywho, I actually was thinking about how can you... Oh, Timmy got it going on. This is good. I love it. So anywho, I wanted to share with you, here's a tip, especially for busy working professionals. I'm going to play this a little bit more. This is nice. So I wanted to share with you a tip on how you can actually make your cooking process a lot easier. And one of the ways that you can do that is prep your meals beforehand. So here's a way. I came across this method actually on Amazon, and I know a lot of people probably do their own method, maybe by using plastic containers or things like that. But what I have found, that glass is always better. But I wanted to find a glass product that didn't have leaky lids, as well as your glass that had 2 or 3 dividers in it, as well as that you could put your containers in a microwave. You can put them in the oven, also in the freezer. Now, I don't have a microwave. I actually got rid of my microwave years ago. So I actually, when I cook stovetop, or I actually just cook in an oven, because you actually keep your enzymes that way. You don't overcook your food, and you just keep them a lot more healthier. So for busy working professionals, what is one tool that you can use? And how you can do that is meal prep. But you have to find the right container to meal prep, right? So I came across this today. Well, I came across it last night. And I have been doing a lot of searching for the best product that could fulfill all those goals. Oh wow, I like it. This is nice. All right, you guys, look. Let's check this out. And I'm going to actually post a link at the bottom. So here we go. Let's see. All right. So it looks like it has like a vent. So like if you do put it in a microwave, all right. And it has dividers. So you have 2 dividers, probably one for your protein. And this could be really good for like 4 ounces, 6 ounces. And then you would put maybe your grain or your veggies in here. I think this is really nice. Here we go. Check it out. See if the lid closes. Voila. There you have it. This is nice. Now, can you imagine you going to work, you put this in your sexy bag, or men, you put this in your briefcase, or you put this in your lunch bag, and then therefore you have your own meal prep. All right, so let's see here. See what we could do. I can read this. Okay. Yep. All right. So oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer. Voila! I found the perfect product. All right. So check this out. Okay. So let me show you what you would do. I would recommend you meal prep maybe 2 meals at a time. So that could be 6 containers. Or if you're doing weight loss, you're on your weight loss journey, you're probably going to do anywhere from 5 to 6 meals a day. So you probably would want to order 2 of these. So this is a set of 5. And I believe this was like under 30 bucks. Not that expensive. But this is what you're going to do is when you meal prep. First of all, you're going to take this. Again, glass is a lot healthier than plastic. Plastic is lighter, but you're going to run the risk of it leaking toxins and things like that. So it's always better to just do glass. So you would take your glass, of course, after you cleanse it, and you start your meal prep. And so you have it set like this. It's your meal prep. So you have, this is probably good for 1 day. And then I already had a plastic container. So here's the difference. So here's a plastic. This is by Rubbermaid, or this is glass, and you can see definitely the quality difference. So after you make your meals, then you would prep them like this, and then you would stack them in the refrigerator like that. There you go. So that would be 1 day of meal prep, 2 day meal prep, 3 day meal prep, snack. So when you come home, all you have to do is grab, put it in the put it in the stove, put it in the microwave. Your meals are already done. Can you imagine how much time that you're going to save for meal prepping? I mean, because really, come on. I mean, we like to cook. We want to keep it healthy. But how many people do you know just like so excited about cooking? I mean, I enjoy it. I make it fun. But I mean, do you call your girlfriend and say, girl, I got to get off the phone? Or you call your clients, oh, I got to get home because I have to cook. I am so excited because I have to cook these meals. I mean, really? I mean, if we could have a chef, and if our chef could cook for us every day, come on, that would be the first thing that I would put in my budget. So anywho, this is Kim Evans. Thank you so much for watching. And this is an idea on how you could begin to save time, be more efficient, plus keep it healthy. And you know you're eating the nutrients, your macronutrients that you need, which is your fats and your carbs and your proteins. And that's what you can have in these meal planners. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kim Evans. So I gotta get back to routine because he is, oh my God, this is beautiful. I love this music. All right. Look for a link at the bottom so you can get to actually go to Amazon and you can buy your own. If you have any questions, you can send me an email on my website, which is kimmevans.com. Thank you so much for watching. Healthy and abundant blessings to you. Hi, this is Kim again. Just wanted to also share some closing tips with you. If you are considering a wellness journey, a new lifestyle change, one of the things you might want to consider is a plant-based lifestyle. As you go and check out my IG channel at 2Gorjis, that's 2GORJIS, get connected with me because I do post a lot of nutrition meals and some ideas on what you can do in terms of plant-based living. So let me also just mention to you one of the reasons why shifting to a plant-based lifestyle is it really does to help to give you quicker optimum health. Now, when we think of a plant-based lifestyle, we are kind of like eating more vegetables and less on the meat. And sometimes for your health, we are going into the spring. It's kind of good to do that, to kind of transition. But overall, plant-based living is not only just reducing or eliminating meat out of your diet, but it's also helping you to better sleep. So I know when I'm coaching my clients, I also look at their sleep and how to help them to better manage their sleep. When you actually take on a plant-based diet, you actually begin to manage your stress a lot better. When you manage your stress a lot better, oh my God, the weight does come off. You have a reduction of cortisol level, and that's that we get around the belly fat. And also, believe it or not, when you adapt a plant-based lifestyle, you kind of have healthier relationships. You have a little bit more patience on how you deal with people, and you enjoy being around people. And people enjoy being around you, and you're more attract what you become, right? So plant-based living there has a lot of advantages to it. So I want you to set some goals. I want you to be focused. I want you to go out and do meal prep, meal planning, so that you can fall in love back with whole foods, because food is your medicine and medicine is your food. All right, we're going into spring now. Do a new thing, set your goals, and dream bigger. Stay focused. You can do it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kim Evans. Bye now.